The constant exploration of science and technology by human has been promoting the progress of whole society. The constant development of science and technology and the pioneer of high energy efficiency. ZEGA Power. ZEGA Power was born in the era of technological development. Behind its young appearance, it is the powerful parent company Zhejiang ZEGA Machinery Company Limited. The parent company invested large amounts of capital in 2020 to create the 1 billion production capability manufacturing base. The mission of ZEGA Power is to develop new brands with more professional strength and focus on customer needs to expand the market share of industrial air compressors, creating the most cutting-edge technology products, breaking the monopoly of multinational giants with excellent performance and improving the application level of the industry. ZEGA series of products focus on customer needs and create customized products. General series products focus on providing users with more cost-effective SF single-stage power frequency and variable frequency conversion products, SFET dual-stage permanent magnet frequency conversion products, WSFE water-lubricated oil-free products, and SLE laser-cutting special screw air compressors. With the full technology and manufacturing superiority support of the parent company, special series products are specially customized ZSE screw blower, SFEV screw vacuum pump, SFET two-stage low-pressure screw air compressor, SFED ultra-low-pressure screw air compressor according to the actual needs of customers, contributing to the National Energy Conservation and Emission Reduction Plan with production process innovations. ZEGA series, a series of products developed with the goal of super energy saving and the mission of ZEGA replacement. The products include ZEGE single-stage, ZEGET two-stage, ZEGZET two-stage, gear coupling oil-injected screw compressors, and ZEGFET dry oil-free screw compressors. Designed according to the international leading technology, providing customers with a unique, efficient, intelligent product experience in 100% oil-free guarantee for food, beverage, electronics, pharmaceutical, instrumentation, and other industry markets with excellent performance. Constant aiming for perfection to gain various recognition and honors. The dedication to excellent performance for infinite possibilities and green future. The vision for the green future for strong boost to scientific technology research and development. The exploration of the boundaries of science and technology. The source of ZEGA moving forward momentum. Power experts for high-tech ZEGA machinery. The constant development of science and technology innovations, and the pioneer of high energy efficiency, ZEGA Power.